Hello friends, hopefully you are well. Today will show you how to change any color. So let's start. Select Quick Selection tool from Photoshop. Select the shirt only you need to change color. Select this very well everywhere on shirt. Select only shirt you need to change color. After all selection, press Ctrl+J from keyboard. You can see a second layer. Now select again on shirt. Now select your color. After selection color, draw the color on shirt. Now is the final work. Go to layer setting and do this, select pin light. Now it's changed color perfectly. If you want to change any different color, press Ctrl+J for new layer. Now make selection this again. Select new color. And draw the new color. Wow! Now you can see all color change. Please, if you like, comment, share my video. And if you want to learn freelancing, please subscribe my channel.